What is up, guys? It's Motovlog day. Okay, so two things right off the bat. I don't know if you can tell that the camera angle is a little bit different. You can see both my hands, right? I may or may not have done something with this GoPro. It's a GoPro Hero 2018, but there just so happens to be an update that you can do if you download the certain stuff. You can turn this GoPro into a GoPro Hero 5 Black. So that unlocks 4K, that unlocks Super View, and all these other features. So I'm hoping you guys like this new view because I do, and I really wanted to get out and test it out. But I don't know if you can tell in front of me, it's freezing out here. I mean, it is no joke cold. We're under a winter storm warning. It's supposed to snow any minute. I'm seeing flurries of snow, which is just terrifying because I don't want to run into any of that shit or none of that. You know, I don't want to hit that. Another thing, oh, there's a cop up here. Another thing, did you like the intro? Do you like that? I've wanted to make an intro for the longest time, and I decided to do it finally. And I made an intro, and if you stay to the end of the video, there may or may not be a secret little outro that I also did too. But if you could think of any ideas if for, you know, the new intro, or if you want me to change clips in the intro, you know, let me know. I'm open to suggestions as always. But yeah, this motovlog is not going to be very long at all because I actually wear my thick Carhartt because it's just, you know, I wanted to get out and test this new Super View and see what you guys would see and see if you guys like it. You know, here's a little tuck. This is what a tuck would look like. Not all the way tucked, but a little tuck. And yeah, man, I'm just excited to have this. You have no idea. You have no idea. And another thing I'm hoping is, last time I was out in warmer weather than this, my GoPro actually like shut off and quit working because it got so so cold. So let's hope that that does not happen this time. Here we go, let's get some noise. People are looking at me like I'm nuts, and to be honest, I don't blame them because I am nuts. I am absolutely freezing, you guys. These gloves, I've mentioned it in other videos, are summertime gloves. They're not made for the winter. The wind is coming right through. Here we go. Let's get some more noise. The pops are always better when it's freezing winter time outside. I'm still trying to figure out where I should put the camera. It's actually leaned more down than it usually is, because I want you guys to be able to see what my hands are doing. Like, watch, ready when I shift? Check this out. You see that? You can see it now, right? Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Yeah, I think it's pretty cool. I don't know, I'm really excited because one of the, you know, people I used to ride with had Super View on his camera and on his motovlogs, and I really liked how much of the surroundings, I'm foggy boy, how much of the surroundings you can actually see. So I'm hoping that translates to mine. Oh no, I just seen some snow. I just seen some snow, boys. Uh-oh. Luckily I'm not too far from the house, so if it starts coming down, you know, oh God. Oh, why do I do this to myself? Why does it have to get wintertime? Why can't I live in like Florida, you know, or Arizona? You know, why can't I live there? No, I have to live here. Oh, we're coming to a rather abrupt stop. What's going on here, fellas? Are we all right? Yeah, it's starting to snow. I'm probably gonna get ready to head to my house because I don't want to be caught in this. I don't want to be caught in this. That does not sound fun at all. But I cannot wait for the summertime adventures that we're gonna have on this thing. I can't wait. Hopefully we can get my brother to come along on some, and we can just have a really, you know, good time. Maybe get some camping vlogs, some fishing vlogs, some kayak vlogs. Oh guys, you have no idea how excited I am. I wonder if you guys can see the snow. My hand has been numb for like the past 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm probably gonna turn the camera off and just trying to get to the house because I'm fucking freezing. All of my fingers on my clutch hand are numb. I'm actually going to take a shortcut home. Not a shortcut, but this route is just a little bit faster. Just a little bit faster because I can hop right onto the road I need to instead of, you know, dilly-daddling on places that I don't need to be. So, sorry, these houses are really expensive and they're all old people. It's an elderly place. You have to be over a certain age to live here. Holy fuck, I cannot feel my hand. I cannot feel my hand. I hope I don't accidentally throw the clutch, you know what I mean? Okay, this is kind of scary. I can't see shit. I'm going for it, I'm going for it. Are we good? Oh God. Please don't hit me, Lexus. What's this guy doing here? What are we doing here, guys? I can't feel my hand. I can't feel my hand, fellas. We need to go. Oh, my hand is numb. Oh my God. I'm probably gonna get home and I'm gonna have frostbite. Holy God Almighty. I'm gonna be riding with my hand in my pocket. I can't, oh God, of course, I can't see it again. I'm going. Oh my God. See what I mean? This is the road that I need, but I can just like cut right through here. Just boop, 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 like this. Well, they're building something here. Oh God, I'm foggy boy. Ooh, this road is filthy. Ew, this road is really dirtily. Oh my God, come on people. Come on, let's move it. Let's put a move on it. Step on the accelerator. Holy Christ. Oh my God, this red light better turn fucking green, I swear to God. I gotta put my hand in my pocket. Holy shit. I cannot feel it. This whole vlog is just gonna be me complaining about how cold it is. And now I can't see. I own this anti-fogging stuff and I've put it on and I don't know why it works. Don't you do that. You know, it works sometimes, but I have to keep reapplying, so it just kind of gets annoying is what it does. Holy mother of God, it's getting to the point where my hand hurts really, really fucking bad. Oh my God, it hurts. You have no idea. Holy shit. I'll show you what my hands look like when I get to the house. Oh my gosh, they hurt so bad. Oh look, a veterinarian, that's cool. Yeah, it's snowing, it's starting to come down now, so I need to be heading to the house, but I have to ride there, unfortunately, and I can't feel my fucking hand. Oh man, and it's like, the slower I go, the less wind, but the longer it takes. The faster I go, the more wind, the colder it is, but the faster I get there. So what do? I don't know what to do. Come on, you fucking Kia Soul. Oh my God, this fucking Toyota. Spin the Toyota. Holy mother of God. It's really beautiful though when it snows. Oh my God, this Toyota Yaris. Listen, 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 listen. You're in there with a warm heater. I'm not. Why do I do this to myself? I do it for you guys. I do it for you guys. That's why I do it. Okay, move Toyota. Toyota Yaris, get the fuck out of my way. Fuck me, could they take any longer? Please give me an arrow. For the love of God, please give me an arrow. Please give me an arrow. Yes, thank you. Here, let's give it a little juice. I gotta be careful. I don't know when school's getting out. Oh God, soon there's a line building up. Oh my God, my fucking hands are so numb. Holy shit. All right, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Tell me what you thought of the intro and the outro getting ready to come up. And tell me if you like this new camera angle, the super view, because I like it. I'm really happy with it. I can see everything that I want to see and I love it. So if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. It would mean the world to me because I'm out here freezing my little ass off. So please, if you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Later! I just got into my room. Let's see what my hands look like. Oh God. Oh, look at my fingernails. This was the really bad one. Oh God, they hurt so bad. Oh, all right, I'm gonna warm up, but make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. Oh, another bonus clip, yeah. Oh God, make sure you guys wear gloves. Oh man, I'm in some pain. Well, it's been about maybe an hour since I filmed that last moto vlog that you just seen. I know there's a lot of bonus clips in this video after the outro, but it's been about an hour since that happened. Look at this. Look at this. Do you see this? Do you see this? I was riding an hour ago, and you've seen what it looked like. Couldn't feel my hands. They're all right now, so we're good to go. But this is what I was trying to avoid.